So today we learn about the Excel, and in that Excel let us learn about the worksheet and Excel table basics. In that we sub we will learn about entering and editing data. So in entering editing data, how to enter data manually in worksheet cells. Okay. So what do you suppose you want to enter numbers or text? Okay. So that means on the worksheet, click a cell. Any cell you click. So now I have clicked the A2 cell, which are now these whatever cell I click, that cell will be here the name of the box, that is A1, that is A column first cell. Suppose I click on 3, that is A column third row, B column third row, C column fifth row. Here we will know, and that thing is we know by the box which is been selected is here we can see name of the box, and here we can see the color of the cell where it is been selected, and also the cell selected is been boldly highlighted. Then on the we have clicked on one cell. Suppose we have clicked on B4 cell. Suppose you have clicked on, we can type the numbers or text that we want, and then press the tab. Suppose I want to enter some number or text, I can enter here. This is the number I have entered. After pressing all the numbers, if we press enter, then automatically the next cell is highlighted. So we can go to horizontal cell, we have to press the tab, and to go to the next cell, press enter. Horizontally you have to press tab, and for vertically coming you have to press enter. By default, suppose you want another thing is, suppose you want a new line in the within the cell. Suppose this is what I have pressed. I want a new sign, then I have to press Alt Enter, so that in that cell itself I can enter some more text. Suppose I want to enter now another number. Suppose I want third line, then Alt Enter, and then suppose I want some method. So this way I have created within the cell 3 lines by pressing Alt Enter. So after pressing the Alt Enter, we are able to, within the cell we can create a new line. Then by default, pressing enter moves the selection down the cell. I am in this click in the cell, and by pressing enter, I automatically the selection came to down one cell, and if I press tab here, then the selection moves to the right. So If I press enter, the selection goes to the down cell, and if I press tab, the selection goes to the right side cell. If you then how to change the direction for the enter. So this is what it is. If we press enter, we will go to the next cell, and we press tab, we will go to the right side cell. So after suppose after 2-3 end of the row, suppose this is next row. So if I press enter, this row is over, so this will go to the if you are pressing some tab and tab, this has come to here. Now press enter, this will go to the next row, starting of the row. I have entered in this row 3 cells. By pressing tab, I have came to the right cell of the cell, and then again pressing, I will go to the C4 cell. That is, suppose I want to end this row, and I will press enter, then automatically this selection will go to the starting of the next row. So that is what it shows. Okay. Suppose if it is too much, then what happens? It will if it is too much display, you will see like this. If it is too much, little space, width of the column is very little, then it will show like this, hash lighting. And if you want to change the width of the column, you can change by the home tab in the cells group. Okay. Column width can be changed. So it is now 4.56. You can increase, suppose you want to increase 8. So that much has been changed using the form and in cells group, in format, in column width. So under cell size, you can to fit all the text in the cell, or to fit all the text in the cell. Okay. Suppose only some of the only is visible. If you want to, then you have to go to the home tab. Then in the cells group, format, auto fit column, then automatically it will be. If you select those, also you can range, also you can auto fit column. So automatically each cell size is with. Suppose only particular column you want to change the width, you can just go to the home tab, then in the cells group, in the cell size, you can column width you can change, and you can change it to whatever size you want, you can change it. Okay, you can display multiple lines of text inside a cell by wrapping the text. So this also, suppose these are 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose this column is, but you are able to see only 1, 4, 2 or 7, 8, 9, 4. So to wrap the text, you can do this thing. So in the home tab, this is wrap a text in a cell. That the wrapping means that you are not able to see the whole matter, only part of the matter, part of the content of the cell you are able to see. For wrapping up, you have to go to the home tab, and then in alignment group, you have to click wrap text. Then what happens? You can wrap the text. So now you have wrapped it. Okay. Now you are seeing the total number. Earlier only last 1, 4 was visible. Now the entire number, or whatever the total text it is being shown now. Suppose you have not unwrapped it. So you are not able to see the total text. Now if you wrap the text, you will be able to see the entire text that is available in the cell. If you don't wrap, you cannot see the entire. But for seeing the entire text, entire contents in the table, you can use this home tab, then alignment tab, and then press the wrap text. This will make all content visible within a cell by displaying it on multiple lines. That is what wrap text will do. After you type number of cells, you can change the format which they are displayed. So you can change the any format of the numbers you type in the cells, whatever format. Suppose if you type some number 457.8795, suppose you want to see only 2 numbers, you can choose 2 numbers or 4 numbers after decimal. Like that you can change in the home tab. In the number group, you can go and change the, so you can increase or decrease the number of decimals. Okay, and whatever number format you want, here you can show. So you in the more list you can have whatever decimal points, how many you want to keep it like that, and you can use thousand separator, and also negative numbers can be in this format. You can do it whatever you want. So click the fixed decimal points. So click the mouse and then click advanced. Enter a positive number or digits right of this one, or a negative number or digits. For example, if you enter 3 in the places bags and then type 2834, the value will be 2.834. If you enter -3 places in the box, then type 283, the value will be 283. Execl and then enter dates and times, and the worksheet click Execl, and you can type dates or times as follows. Okay, suppose suppose I press 9 4 2015. So this, if I want to change this format, I can change this format by home number more, and this is a date format. You want suppose this format. Now it will be showing 4th September 2015. That is it. How you can home tab number more values, then in this format cells you can have this whatever format you want, you can select and press OK. There are also functions today and now functions for this. You can also do like this. Suppose for a number of cells you want to enter, then drag the last cell or hold down shift while you press the arrow keys to exchange cell. Suppose if you want 1 and 2, you want to continue this, then you place the handle here. Here it is the where the plus symbol comes, that is the handle. Now if you drag the handle, so the numbers have come like this. Suppose I start from 3 and 4, and I suppose I want to drag from 3 4, it will come 3 4 5 6 7. Suppose 2 4, suppose this is the 2 4, I drag it, then 2 4 6 7 8 2 4 6 8 10 12 4, like that the series will be coming, and you can drag the last cell